There's a safe and effective non-surgical treatment for BPH and chronic non-bacterial prostatitis. The Thermaspec transurethral microwave thermotherapy system from Metaspec. Thermaspec's innovative technology uses low energy and temperature levels for safe and effective treatment. It minimizes side effects and the risk of impotence associated with more invasive treatments, making it ideal for sexually active and other high-risk patients, and offering elderly men a significant improvement in quality of life. The compact Thermaspec system, with its computer-controlled microwave energy source and multi-use applicator assembly, offers a cost-effective, user-friendly solution for physicians, suited to surroundings ranging from small clinics to large urological departments. TUMT, transurethral microwave thermotherapy, creates heat by properly locating a microwave antenna in the prostate, destroying hyperplastic prostate tissue to facilitate urinary outflow. Thermaspec's unique applicator enables various positioning options and simplifies the procedure with a single protocol for all prostate sizes. Thermaspec treatment is fast, efficient, and cost-effective. The only consumable is the catheter. This minimally invasive procedure requires no anesthesia, so treatment can be performed on an outpatient basis. With average treatment time of just 1 hour, Thermaspec improves clinical results. It's the effective alternative to more invasive treatments, reducing urinary frequency, urgency, and intermittent flow. Thermaspec from Metaspec.